Hello, this is a project called Optimize One, a mobile app that can accommodate different needs such as your major, education, etc. This is just a login page, so once you enter your information in, you're greeted with 6 different icons. These are also listed in the sidebar as well in case you have trouble navigating the app. For more information about the app, you can always check out the About Our Company section. You want to research more about your favorite topics? Well, look no further. This mobile app, Optimize One, is designed to connect students and mentors alike, providing eventful teaching experiences from those all around the nation, only in 5 steps. As for the staff directory, you're able to discover a mentor that suits you the best regarding your interests. For example, if you're majoring in biology, you would find a woman named Diane Diaz, a PhD candidate, along with her contact information in her biography. The subject, expertise, and level of education are also mentioned below in her description to prove her qualified experience. This goes for all of the mentors in the page and here as well. If you were to find a mentor willing to help you in a matter of days and you're already appointed with assignments to work on, this is where you would go, the training resources. Depending on what you're majoring in or your interest, you can utilize the journal section to take notes on a daily basis. As for the video section, to learn something new, your mentor could provide you a video. For example, a video by William Ackman, Everything You Need to Know About Finance and Investing in Under an Hour. This is such a great start because this can be applicable to many majors, but this mostly correlates with finance. Let's say you are working on improving your journalism skills. Your mentor could assign a news article in the News and Updates section where you can read from there on then. Of course, we also have a social media page, so if you're a lucky follower and you want to receive any updates, you can do so by going through our Facebook and Twitter. Last but not least, this is a great option if your mentor likes to send out updates, reminders, or announcements on future projects. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, this app is obviously virtual friendly, so you and the mentor are only just a chat away. This app is so versatile and beneficial to all as it can help provide you research and leadership opportunities. Thank you.